In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in Word with the latest update. This task is essential when you're refining your document's flow, or making sure the sections are organized in a way that best communicates your message. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get this done easily and effectively. First things first, open up the Microsoft Word application on your computer. You might already have it pinned to your taskbar or under your applications list, wherever it's easiest for you to access. Launching the app is your starting point for working with any document structure. Once you've got Word opened up, it's time to select a document you want to work with. Go ahead and locate the file you're interested in editing from your recent documents, or hit File, and then Open to navigate through your folders to find exactly what you need. Remember, it's always a good idea to make sure your document is saved beforehand, just so you can avoid any data loss while making changes. With your document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the View tab. This will unfold a series of options related to how you can arrange and see the contents of your document. As a tip, the View tab houses tools that allow you to customize the way your workspace looks, making it easier to manage large documents. Next, look for an option called Navigation Pane. You should see a checkbox right there. Click it to enable the pane on the left side of your Word window. This pane will show your document's outline if you have headings set up properly, which can significantly aid in navigating through sections quickly. The navigation pane is a powerful feature that enhances the way you interact with your document, especially when working with long-form content. Now that you have the navigation pane open, you will notice the list of headings available there. Here comes the fun part, rearranging your document's pages. You can simply click on a heading you want to move, hold the left mouse button, and drag it to the desired position within the pane. This drag and drop feature is intuitive, allowing you to restructure your document effortlessly by visually placing each section where you want it. Rearranging pages in Word using this method helps maintain the document structure while keeping formatting intact. Once you're satisfied with how your document is organized, don't forget to save your changes so that your hard work is secured. And that's it. Quick and straightforward. You've successfully learned how to rearrange pages in Microsoft Word. Try it out on your documents and experience the flexibility it provides in managing your work efficiently. Thanks for watching. And be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.